Hey folks, there you go. I wanted to come and share with you my newsletter. A part of it I've shared with you before about the Xooma, Xooma. You can go to xooma.com/Randy Goss to check it out for the health products, and especially for the X2O. I want to read you this article that's in here. And with summer coming up and people being outdoors, not only athletes but seniors and those who work outside, really for a lot of people, our hydration is not what it should be. And I would encourage you also to visit with Dr. Melissa Bennett at the Olive Leaf. She has an office in Roswell, I believe it is. It's either Roswell or Alpharetta. But smart tip, are you getting enough? Your body is a complex machine that requires various forms of fuel each day for you to survive and thrive. Water, minerals, vitamins, protein, and other forms of fuel are needed by your body daily. But are you getting enough? The easiest example is water. To support the foundational needs your body has on a daily basis, most wellness experts recommend consuming half your body weight in ounces of water each day. In other words, if you weigh 200 pounds, your ideal level of water consumption would be 100 ounces per day. Unfortunately, far too many people consume less than their ideal daily amount of water, which is why X2O becomes so important for all of us. By adding X2O to your water each day, you'll maximize the amount of hydration you get from every ounce you drink. This is what the little sachets look like. This is what you drop in your water. I'll do this with this one because I haven't done it yet. Oops. Sorry about that. We'll drop it in there and then shake it up. Give it about 5 minutes to infuse the water, and you'll be good to go. For a bottle. Actually, each one of these will treat 2 bottles of water. By adding X2O to your water each day, you'll maximize the amount of hydration you get from every ounce you drink, even if you don't always consume the ideal daily amount. That's why you should always use an X2O sachet in every bottle, glass of water that you drink. Now, each one of those will treat up to 20 ounces. And since we're on the topic of X2O, let's talk about minerals. Yes, every bottle of X2O water contains an impressive spectrum of easy-to-absorb trace minerals. These trace minerals can make a significant positive difference in the way you feel each day. But what if you're not getting enough? If you are already mineral deficient, that X2O sachet may not be able to provide all the minerals your body needs each day. That's why many people have discovered the benefits of adding X2O plus capsules to their evening regimen. For those who need more minerals in their body, this product has not only made a big difference in their health results, but it's also helped many people improve their nightly sleep experience. The same question of, are you getting enough, can be applied to most Xooma products. For example, if your inflammation problems are not improving with 2 capsules of cardiozyme per day. Adding just one more capsule to your daily regimen may be all it takes to transform the way you feel. And folks, that's one of my things that I have. I have an autoimmune disease called sarcoidosis, and it's an inflammatory disease. And Dr. Bennett has helped me tremendously with that. And before that, I didn't know about the X2O. Once I started using them, I could notice a little bit of a difference. And then I wanted to test it, so I got off of them. And then I noticed a difference, so I got right back on them. And I've been using them ever since. What about your energy level? If it seems your energy levels are too low, or your focus and concentration still needs improvement, you may just need another capsule or 2, or one more drink stick of Focus Up that day. And if you sit down to enjoy the delicious steak dinner, large pizza, or that rich pasta meal, sounds good, I've been hungry, but you don't feel so great when you're done eating, you might need 2 assimilator capsules instead of 1 to help your body break down and digest all that food. I've used all of these products and they've all helped me. But I've noticed the biggest difference with the water myself. Or perhaps that infection you're fighting in your body requires that you use just a little more Silver Max each day to help your immune system win the battle and get you back to feeling great again. As human beings, there is never a one-size-fits-all solution to our nutritional needs. So true. We're not a herd of cattle. Just, okay, it sounds like this, give me a pill that other people take too, and then we'll change it maybe. No. So that's another benefit of these things. We all need water. And that's the benefit to me of seeing a naturopath doctor such as Dr. Bennett. As human beings, there is never a one-size-fits-all solution to our nutritional needs. That's why it's important to try different dosage levels of Xooma products to determine what works best for you. If you're currently using a Xooma product that you want to see more results from, it could be as simple as adding just one more capsule, tablet, drink stick, or sachet of that product to your daily regimen. While it's simple and easy to do, the difference it could make in your health could be incredible. Again, you can check those out at xooma.com/Randy Goss. And you can order online also on that site. Short of that, if you want to see Dr. Bennett, look up the Olive Leaf. She's in, I believe the address is Roswell. Roswell and Alpharetta, they're right there, and that's kind of where her office is. Over there off of, what's it called there? I don't remember the exact names of the roads right now, but it's State Road, I believe it's State Road 92, State Road 19, and near State Road 92, which is the same as another road in that area in Roswell. But anyway, give her a call. Dr. Melissa Bennett, the Olive Leaf. So God bless y'all, and I hope this blesses you, and you try it and get some hope, some relief, and some results. Have a good day.